Back on the road, tripping, RollingStoners. I'm in Mossel Bay. Mossel Bay whispered to me through the seagulls. These little oaks over here. Check it out, check it out. These little oaks over here. Hello, my boy. How's it? Told me a story about what Mossel Bay wants to say. Mossel Bay here. Mossel Bay here. Just relax, because I've seen things in my history is real. The first Europeans came here in 1488. I remember those days. Of one of the mildest climates in the world. Casually perfect. It was raining though this morning. My post office once lived under a tree, and it actually worked. I'm Mossel Bay. I must say, I've got a cool job. It's really radical. I can't complain about the beautiful things that I see and the really nice places that I'm going to. I'm going to show you some of them now. Flat seas entirely, all flat, no waves at all. We're on the marina, and next door is the harbour. Great big fishing boat over there in Kanyezi. There's the South African Police Services people. We all know who those are. There's another Corona 100 years celebration chair put here. Let me show you some of the vibe. So Ramonza boat trips. They've got boat trips. These nice little wooden, I don't know what you call them, but they're cool. Big Kahuna water sports. They've got parasailing, Mossel Bay boat adventures, freaking fast, fearless, wild rides. There's a fish and chip. It's called the London Bus Fish and Chip Company, the Roy Bussy. Over here, I'm going to take you close up to have a look. Check them all out. Oh, the London Bus lower deck. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Cool. Masanda Wana. Here it is. Yeah, looks really nice. Beautiful spot. I've got the oyster bar, which looks pretty cool as well. Nice sunset drinks. And then there's the Kai 4 Braai restaurant. And it's really rad. Really nice. Some nice apartments. And one more look at the sea. Mossel Bay is a cool spot. They do a lot of good things down here. Developing town. A lot of development, a lot of estates. Hey, there's some. Are those whales? I don't know. Are they? Let's just check. No, those are people. Nice step going down there. That's it, guys. Here's the fires just started. So looking beautiful. Join us and roll with us. Keep rolling, guys.